Hi everyone. We're going to be working on pages 107, 108, and 109 in our Journeys Reader's Notebook. This is for grade 1. So let's get started. We're going to start off with practicing for our spelling test on Friday. And they have the words right here in the box, but we also have the words right here. And so let's read them. These all have short O sounds. So this one says g-ot, got. I got a cold. Someone sneezed and I breathed their germs and I got their cold. Got. This says on. Do you like this ring on my finger? On. If you want, you can get one at I think I got this at Macy's. It's one of those box rings. On. This one says pop. Oh, I want to go pop some popcorn. Pop. What? You're going to be writing all these on your spelling test? Got, on, pop, and you're going to be what? Remembering that the O's are the vowels you're going to use this week. Okay, this one says fox. Fox. Aw, fox. You know what a fox is. It sort of looks like a dog, but it's sort of reddish with a white tip on its tail, depending on the kind of fox. This says hop, and that's what rabbits do. Have you seen rabbits before? Do you see them hop? Hop, hop. You're going to spell that on your spelling test, hop. And this word says not. Not. Okay, there's also two challenge words this week. They are block. Not only does it have an L blend, but it also has a CK at the end, which we consider a double final consonant since both the C and the K make the same sound. Block. And here's the other challenge word, clock. It has a not double, it has a blend, cl, awk, clock. And then it has the double final consonant, CK at the end, clock. So block and clock are our two challenge words. Okay, let's do our practice. All right, let's do this one in purple crayon. We have to write the spelling word that rhymes with dot. Okay, it has to rhyme with dot. When it rhymes, that means it has to be in the same word family in some cases, but it has to have that same vowel consonant sound at the end. So dot, it's not going to have the same beginning sound. We're looking for spelling words that end with OT. That's our best bet. So does that one end with OT? No. Dot, on, no. Fox, no. Got, dot, got, dot, got. They sound the same at the end. We're not just talking about the very last sound, the t. We're talking about the vowel and the consonant sound. Ought. So we're going to write the word got right here. Okay, is your G nice and plump like that? Your G and your O are ducking underneath the dotted line? And does your T cross on the dotted line and touch the top and the bottom? I don't want you to make plus signs. No, no plus signs. You need to make your T's tall. Okay, let's look for another word that rhymes with dot. We're looking for words that end with OT. There we are. That ends with an OT. Not. Let me see if it rhymes. Not, dot. Yes, they rhyme. They end with the same vowel consonant sound. Not. Okay. Now we get to rhyme again. This time, the word we want to rhyme with is top, and it ends with an OP. It's in the OP, the OP word family. So let me see if any of our spelling words end with OP. Not that one, not that one. That one! Op, hop. The beginning sound is different, but the ending sounds are the same. Top, hop. They rhyme. Top, hop. Okay, I'm looking for another word that's in the op family, and I have already checked these two out. So it's pop, circle pop, and right pop. When you're making the lowercase p's, they duck underneath the dotted line. The capital P's touch the top line. Pop. Now we get to do another rhyming word, one that rhymes with ox. Ox. So actually, since the rhyming words have to end with the vowel consonant, if it ends with the consonant, you have to pick up the vowel too. So it's ox. So we're looking for OX. And there is a word with OX at the end. It's in the same word family as ox. Fox, ox. Fox rhymes with ox. Fox. And finally, we get to write a spelling word that rhymes with dawn. Look what dawn ends with. O-N. That's the family it's in. Let's go find a word that's in its family. Oh, that one right there. O-N. How easy is that? O-N, O-N. Let's write down the word on. Dawn on. Now, these are all our spelling words. All of our spelling words, except for the challenge words. And remember, they all have O's in them. Okay, so we're going to be working on what is a statement. So a statement is a sentence that makes sense. I mean, okay, sorry, let's scratch that. This is statement, not sentence. But a statement tells something. It's just a sentence that tells something. And it begins with a capital letter and it ends with a period. It just tells something. It's not a question. It's not an exclamation. It just tells something. He makes a drum. It just tells something. And they want us to draw a line under the statements. So, he makes a drum. That is telling something. It makes sense. And I'm going to make this bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and underline that one. If I would have just said a drum, it would not have been a statement. But I said he makes a drum. So it's a sentence that tells something. If I would have asked you a question like, did he make a drum? It would not have been a statement. Okay. How about this one? Is this a statement? Sings. Let me see. Did it start with a capital letter? No. Did it end with a period? No. Is it telling something? No. It's just a word, random word. So I'm not going to underline that one. That's not a statement. She plays well. That's saying something. That's telling something. And it starts with a capital letter and ends with an ending mark, which is a period. If it would have ended with a question mark or an exclamation mark, it would not be a statement. So this is a statement. If it ends with a period and it says something, it tells something, it's a statement. If it would have ended with an exclamation or a question mark, it would not have been a statement. Okay, so let's go ahead and underline she plays well. Our band will win. Let me see, is that telling something? Our band will win. Yeah, it makes sense. And it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period. That's a statement. Bill and Sam, it did not end with a period. And it didn't even tell something. Just said Bill and Sam. I'm not going to underline that. That's not a statement. Nick claps for us. Nick claps for us. Okay, that's telling something. That Nick claps for us, and it ends with a period, so that's a statement. Also began with a capital letter. So it says use a word from the box to make each group of words a statement. Like right now it's not a statement. It just says plays the drums. Didn't say who, so let's see. Listen plays the drums. No. Meg plays the drums. Yeah. So let's write the word Meg, and it's a good thing that they already had it capitalized, or we would have had to have capitalized it because it's the beginning of the sentence. Meg plays the drums. Now it says Ken and Kim listen. We already used Meg, but Ken and Kim listen. So Meg plays the drums and Ken and Kim listen. So we're going to finish this. Right now it's not a statement because it didn't say what they did. So we're going to say what they did. They listened. Okay, so ta-da! Okay, last one is writing a thank you letter. So there's lots of different times when you might want to write a thank you letter. Maybe someone gave you something for your birthday or for Christmas. Maybe someone, I don't know, for your dentist. Maybe he filled a whole bunch of your cavities and you just feel like writing him a thank you letter to say what a good job it was and how good you're feeling. Maybe a fireman put the fire out in your yard before it got to your house and you want to write a thank you letter for him or to him. So in this thank you letter, they want us to listen to these adjectives in the word bank and choose some of them to help show why you are thankful. So we're going to do a pretend thank you letter. Okay. So this just says, Dear thank you for the It is I like them Okay. So let's let it be, a candy, okay? So let's say someone gave you a candy. Maybe it's your grandma. Maybe it's your nana. So we'll write, Dear Grandma, and you can write whatever thank you letter you want. If you want to copy me, you can. If you want to go on your own, I invite you. It says, thank you for the hot, the soft, the huge, the striped, the icy, the sweet, the tall, the green, the round, the yellow. I'm going to say for the striped lollipop. So I'm going to choose this adjective, striped. Okay, striped lollipop. I'll just call it a lolly, like they do in England. A lolly. Thank you for the striped lolly. It is and It is sweet. And I'm going to have to add the word and, round. Because if I just say sweet round, that will make no sense. So, can you see it? Okay. Dear Grandma, thank you for the striped lolly. It is sweet and round. I like the, so we used round. We used sweet. I like the, let's just say the green stick. I mean, I like the, or let's just say green color. But if it's striped, it has to have some other color in it, right? I like the green. How about I like the green stripes? Because that might be a rare lollipop if it was striped. Might look like one of those mints that you get, those red and white mints or green and white mints, but it would be in the shape of a lollipop. Maybe that. Dear Grandma, thank you for the striped lolly. It is sweet and round. I like the green stripes. Okay, so let me tell you a secret about writing thank you letters. You get more stuff. There's two kids, and one writes a thank you letter and one doesn't. The grandma doesn't know if the kid liked the gift or not, but she does know if you write her a thank you letter. And it's like, it's good manners to write thank you letters when someone gives you something. Okay, so that's our 3 pages. All right, toodaloo.